Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my super simple morning cleaning routine. These are just a few things that I do every morning just to kind of keep up on everything and make sure like at the end of the day my house is not a total wreck and like a ton of things that I need to do before I go to bed and after the kids go to bed, because I like to have that time kind of to work on like my YouTube stuff, to edit, to relax, to watch a show, to do anything that I like to do, that small little window in between when the kids go to bed and then when I finally crash at the end of the night. So I like to just kind of keep up on these things, and I have a nighttime cleaning routine and I will share that with you. There will be a part 2 to this video, but this is what I do every morning just to, like I said, to keep up on everything, and just, it honestly makes my life a lot easier, and it doesn't take me a long time. Everything, because you're doing these things every day, once you get into the habit of doing them, they all just take like a few minutes, so maybe an hour at the most. So these are what I kind of do every morning. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos, like routine videos and cleaning videos and motherhood and all of that, I hope you subscribe and stick around. I have a ton of cleaning motivation. I have a ton of organizing content coming for you. It's just a lot happening over here in the Cooper household because I am also on like a minimalist journey, so that kind of ties into all of my organizing and decluttering, because that is in full swing over here. So I hope you guys stick around and let's get started on my morning cleaning routine. So first things first, I always start off in my bedroom. On this day, it was a little bit later because I had brought my son to the bus and my daughter to school, but I saved making my bed for the sake of this video. So I started off in my bedroom and I clean up anything that needs to be cleaned up. If I have laundry that needs to get put away, if we have water bottles, anything like that, I just take care of all that and then obviously make my bed. That is the first thing that I do every single morning, and it's a huge like world of difference in your bedroom for a few reasons when your bed is made. One, because everything else could kind of be in shambles in your room, but like the biggest thing in your room is most likely your bed. So if that looks neat and tidy, it kind of makes the whole room look neat and tidy. And kind of on the flip side of that, it brings out any of the other stuff. You're like, whoa, the bed looks so nice and neat, but the nightstand is a cluttery mess. You're more apt to go over and take care of that nightstand because it's kind of like an eyesore in your pretty room. So that, and it just kind of starts off your day. It starts off your day doing something productive that only takes a few minutes. I know there's like a whole video on like the importance of making your bed every day, and I truly believe that. And also, it's just like such a simple thing, and it makes you not get back in your bed, because you definitely don't want to be going back in your bed in the middle of the day. I mean, we all want to, but it's not as inviting if you have to unmake your bed and ruin the first task of the day that you have already done. So after I tackle my bedroom, the kids are in charge of their own bedrooms, but it obviously needs mom to go in there every few days. I've actually just started kind of going in there every day and just kind of tidying up, because they did such a good job over the weekend of organizing and cleaning their room. Like, they did amazing jobs for our 5 and 7-year-olds. Like, I couldn't believe it how good they did. So, and they were super proud of themselves. So I don't want them to kind of get back into that like, whoa, my room's a mess. And they do pick stuff up, but their version of picking stuff up is picking it off the floor and throwing it on the chair or their nightstand or whatever. So I just kind of go in every day. I tidied their beds. I put away any extra blankets they have pulled out, put away any toys, hang up anything that they can't reach in their closets, and just things like that. So, and definitely give everything a good little clean if it needs it. I vacuum them every day and all of that. But I just kind of go in there and give it the little bit of a mom touch to make sure it's up to my standards. All right, and then we will head to the kitchen and get that all squared away. I run the dishwasher 99% of the time every night. It's usually full from all of the breakfast dishes, lunch dishes, and obviously dinner dishes. So at the end of the night, I typically run that. There's sometimes that, you know, that gets a little off schedule, but it's run every day. So typically I will empty that every single morning, and then I will take care of the breakfast dishes, get those all cleaned up, and then just kind of wipe everything down. So just give everything a quick wipe down, all of the counters, because obviously we have had, especially on this day, we had the toaster out. So the toaster always is a mess. I don't know why. Like, I clean it out, I clean out the crumb tray, I shake it out. It just always collects crumbs and always leaves a trail of crumbs on our counter. So I just move everything quickly and give everything a good wipe down. And every day I use the thieves cleaner on all of my countertops and all of my surfaces, just to kind of freshen it up. And then at nighttime I do use a disinfectant. So, but you'll see that on the second portion of this video. So after all of that is done, I just go into the living room and kind of tidy up any of the toys the kids had this morning. They were playing with some Legos, as you see here. And then I just kind of reset the table and also give the pillows a little fluff and straighten them up, because the kids are jumping on things and all of that. But they are pretty good. But I just kind of straighten up any blankets if need be, and to get the furniture back to its original place. My daughter is a dancer and does tons of gymnastics, so she's always flipping and doing things on, especially on the chair and the hassock there, so that always gets to be moved and pushed back, so I always have to fix that. And then I'm just going to give the whole house a vacuum. I only showed you the living room and the kitchen here, but I did go in and do the whole entire house and just give that a quick cleaning, so that way everything is fresh and clean and all of the crumbs are picked up from breakfast and all of that. And then finally, once all of the vacuuming is done and everything is put back in its place, I do a load of laundry, kind of like the dishwasher, 9 times out of 10 every night. So in the mornings, I will take that out, make sure it is all dry, put it on again if needed, and then fold that and make sure it's all put away. If the kids are here, I give them their laundry to put away. If they are not here, most of the time I put it away for them, because they're still so little. I hate for them to come home from a full day of school and dance and acro and baseball and soccer, whatever activities they have that day, and come home to like a big pile of laundry to put away. That's no fun. So I take care of that when they are not here, but when they are here, they are very good at putting away their own laundry. They also put away all of our cloth napkins and also all like the dish towels and things like that. So they're very helpful and very good at helping put away all of the laundry. So that is it for my morning cleaning routine. As you can see, it doesn't take a long time. It's not like a big in-depth process. But like I said, I do have a nighttime cleaning routine, and I also have what I do every day as like a chore of the day. So one day it's stripping the beds and washing the sheets. The next day it's doing the bathrooms or something like that. So I definitely do that as well. So actually this video will be more of a 3-part series, because we have the morning cleaning routine, the nighttime cleaning routine, and then also our daily cleaning routine. So just things that we do and just kind of break it all up, and that way every single day I don't have to do a big project or something like that. I can kind of break it up, and then it's just a little bit more manageable. Don't get me wrong, I definitely do whole house clean with me's all the time. I actually just posted one on my channel because it was spring break and I didn't want to be doing chores every single day. I wanted to hang out with my kids and we wanted to go do fun things. So I do try to stick to this schedule on a school basis. So like when the kids are in school and everything is its normal routine, this is what I do. There are some times, you know, someone's sick or life happens, but majority of the time, this is the schedule that I follow. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss parts 2 and 3 to this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have a cleaning schedule and you do it like kind of like me, you do a morning, nighttime, and a daily cleaning routine, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your schedule, and always open to new ideas. And I think it's helpful for everybody, you know, just to gain some more knowledge on how other people run their households and effectively. So you're not wasting all of your time cleaning and doing things like that. You can do more things that you love to do. And if that's cleaning your house, then God love you, because I don't mind cleaning my house and I love having a clean home. So I don't mind it, but I definitely don't want to spend all my time cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I hope you consider subscribing so you don't miss out on the future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.